Hey, what's up guys? This is Supercell EAS along with
Phoenix EAS.
Recon. DM12. And the loser just for Imagine.
Alright, and today we are going to be unboxing the last of the 3 mystery radios.
Oh boy.
So here we have, oh, maybe we shouldn't see. And then there's something inside here. And we got bubble wrap. Yay, fun.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you've already wanted that.
And everything is falling apart here. Anyway, inside here is this.
Oh, okay. Oh, Midland HH54. I had a feeling.
This is the Midland HH54. One of the, let's just say it's a pocket version of the WR120. This does not come with the AC adapter, but I did not get this for the AC adapter. I am deciding to power this through batteries. Battery power.
Yeah, I own a HH54 VP2, that's a version 15.
Oh, I think this is a rechargeable battery pack, or something like that. Oh, this takes 3. Is it, wait, is it this?
Yeah, oh yeah, that's a rechargeable battery.
Oh, that's cool. So this is a VP2 then?
Never mind, they just played Legend again. KG78 is weird today.
Alright, so is this also powered with normal batteries, or does it only work with a rechargeable battery pack?
You just need to.
You know what, I'm gonna try this to see if it works without the battery pack. Yeah. I did not know this required 3 AAAs, so I'll... No, 3 AA's, not AAA's, what the heck. Anyway, as I insert this last battery, we will go ahead and see if the weather radio works.
And what version it is.
And we'll see what version it is, too.
Alright, I guess we'll get the battery is.
Last battery coming up. Let's plug this in. Hopefully this works. Alright, now let's put this last battery in. We'll see if this works, and if it does, the version number. Version 15.
Version 15, same as mine.
Nice.
I forgot what version.
So it does work with the normal batteries. It has the lower beeps. The version 16s have the higher beeps, I think.
That's what
But yeah, now we are going to set up the menu functions. The current time is 12:46 p.m.
12:47. Oh yeah, now it's 12:47.
12:47. Alarm? No. Channel?
Why did I get a few notifications?
Same set? Any? Yes, we'll do that. Alert type? We'll do voice for now, because we got an event. siren test, light, and that's it. Now, as we close this door, we will now do the siren test for the radio.
Oh, never mind. It's for the update like 20 minutes ago.
And yeah, that, my friends, is the Midland HH54. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to all of these lovely people here.
Phoenix EAS, subscribe.
Or you can subscribe to me more. Screw Phoenix EAS.
No, subscribe to me.
Doesn't deserve
No, subscribe to me. The N12. I recently surpassed 300. Give me more.
No, subscribe to me. I'm 40 subscribers away from 300. I might get a 301 if I make up of numbers.
No, subscribe to me! But anyways, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it.